Today I'm going to be showing you the Meshed Online Assessment Submission module. This module will enable students to submit their assessments online and for teachers to review the online submission, post results and post feedback for the students. This is an optional module which integrates with the existing Meshed academic progress functionality, and it enables the following additional features. You are able to enable or disable assessment submissions for each assessment task. Students can upload multiple assessment submissions for enabled assessment tasks. Staff or teachers are able to record the marks and provide feedback via uploads for the students' assessment submissions. These assessment submission marks and the uploaded feedback is available for students via the student portal. Staff and teachers' ability to manage resubmission can also be controlled. So here we are looking at the Meshed RTOManager system. I've logged in to the staff portal and we've navigated to Compliance, Academic Progress. What we're looking at here is Set Up Assessment Task. This is where you set up assessment tasks that are associated with subjects. What you can see here with the online assessment submission module, we have this additional control here where you can optionally allow students to upload assessments or not for that particular assessment task. The value of this is recorded in the column on the table below. Once you've set up your assessment tasks for subjects, along with the ability to upload a submission or not by a student, the next step, which we'll move to the next tab, this is where you're selecting from the assessment tasks with a subject and associating them with a class that is timetabled for that subject. Once again here, for tasks that are available to be assigned to the timetabled class, you have the ability to adjust whether you're going to allow students to submit a submission for that assessment task or not. So once we've set up the assessment tasks for timetabled classes, students that are enrolled in those timetabled classes will see those assessment tasks from the student portal, and depending on whether it's been enabled or not, will be allowed or able to upload an assessment submission. So let's have a look at the student portal. So here, if we log in to the student portal and navigate to timetable and results, and here we can see the student's timetable, the online assessment submission module has added this additional icon here called assessment, which will open up this window here. On this window we can see the assessment tasks that are associated with the timetabled class. This first assessment task has not had the assessment submission enabled, so there's no upload required. These other two assessment tasks have had the upload of a submission enabled. For the student to upload an assessment submission, they use the action icon on the right-hand side. They navigate, select their submission that they wish to upload, confirm that this is their own work, and click Submit. You can see here the student's file has been now uploaded into the system. The system automatically renames the file using the student ID and the task, the assessment task name. The system does allow for students to upload multiple assessment submissions. So once again, we can click on the upload icon. Now we get a reminder that there's already been a previous submission uploaded. We'll acknowledge that, and we can upload a second online submission. What you can see now is the last upload has been marked with submitted and final. The previous has been renamed with a date and time stamp available. So once the student has uploaded their assessment submissions, they're available to staff through the staff portal or through teachers if the teachers have access to the teacher portal. So let us return to the staff portal. So the third step in the academic progress is the task results entry. If we come here and we navigate to the particular class that we're just using in our example here, and we have the assessment tasks, you can see for class presentation, there's no functionality regarding online submission. We select one of the assessment tasks where we had the online submission enabled for this assessment task. You can see we have one student who has previously uploaded. The student we were just looking at in the student portal, you can see here, this is a copy of the assessment that they uploaded. We can click on that to download it. The system also gives you the ability to select multiple students and download a single zip file that will have all of the submissions for the students for the selected assessment task. A teacher or staff on behalf of a teacher using the fourth action icon can get a detailed view of the student assessment submission. So here we can see the two that the student uploaded with the one that's marked as final. The teacher can select which of these they're going to select for marking. This will change the status from submitted to selected for marking, and it will change the action icons that are available here. The upload action icon allows the teacher or the staff on behalf of the teacher to upload a feedback file that will be made available to the student if we select the Publish to Student option. Also at this point, the result can be entered in for the assessment task or the outcome. So we might select competent. You can optionally lock the task at this step as well. We can select the feedback file, enter a comment, and we'll select Publish to the Student, and we can upload and update the marks. You can see here we have the feedback file and the remarks recorded here in the staff portal. Just close out of that. If we go back now to our student portal and return to our assessment window, you can see here the feedback provided by the teacher has been made available to the student through the student portal, as well as the remarks. And it has the status indicating that it's been marked. The other function that's available through the online assessment feature is that of the resubmit. Once again, if we come into the entering the results for tasks in the staff portal, navigate to the submission details, we have this action icon here where we can extend the assessment date to allow assessment resubmission on behalf of the student. Thank you very much for your time. Any queries, please contact Meshed Group. Thank you.